Introducing voice design.
Aha, Captain. Set sail for adventure.
Now you can create any voice simply by typing a text description.
Aye, lad, there's magic in these old bones yet.
Or how about the voice of an angry ogre?
Get out of my way if you know what's good for you.
Or maybe you want a cute little sassy mouse.
Watch out, big world. I'm small, but I'm mighty.
Whether it's for videos, games, or any other project, voice design can help turn your ideas into reality.
I predict a great and powerful destiny for you.
So try out the new voice design today and show us what you create.